In this video, I am sharing the perfect your bike tire size information for you. Two-wheeler front and back bike tire information. You can see on screen what type of bike related information and what tires are using, the front tire size and the rear tire size information in this video. You can check. In display you can show the what tire, front tire number and back tire number, rear tire number. You can see what is the size related information. Everything will be, you can see on screen. You can check after, you can purchasing time. This information my hope useful for your bike tire replacing time. Thank you. You want any pricing information related, you can comment below. I will check and I will update you pricing information. My hope this video you will be like. Please like the video. You want any more information, please comment below and follow the latest videos. Please subscribe the channel. Forward if any friends you will be need the information.